So in this Easil tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to upload new fonts into Easil. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easil application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the right hand side of your screen. So for whatever reason, if you have images selected or you have layouts selected, whatever it may be, go to the text option right here and press on the text button. Then go to where it says upload fonts right here. So right below where it says add a heading, add a subheading, and add body text, it says upload fonts. Press on that. Now, what you can do is just drag a file or upload a file by pressing on it right here into the Easel application. Keep in mind as well, TTF files and OTF files are supported in regards to fonts. So what you have to do now is download a font from the internet, have that saved to your computer, then upload this font into Easel. Once it is done, go to upload in the bottom left, and then make sure that you guys confirm that you do have the rights to use this font for the intended purposes. So once that is done, I press on upload, and there you go. That's how you guys can upload fonts here into Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.